10 reasons your flirting isn't working. Signs you're sending the wrong signals. Flirting is an art, but many people unknowingly make mistakes that make their attempts ineffective. Have you ever felt like you were flirting with someone, yet they didn't seem to notice? Or worse, they thought you were just being friendly? If so, you might be sending the wrong signals without realizing it. Flirting is more than just words. It's a mix of body language, tone, and engagement that makes the other person feel special and intrigued. If your flirting isn't working, you could be making one or more of these 10 mistakes. Let's dive in and see what might be going wrong. 1. Lack of confidence shows. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities in a person, but if you're second-guessing yourself while flirting, the other person will notice. Hesitation, nervous laughter, and fidgeting can make it seem like you're unsure of yourself. Flirting should be fun, not stressful. If you feel nervous, take a deep breath and remind yourself that it's just a conversation. The more confident you feel, the more natural your flirting will be. 2. Over-friendliness instead of flirting. One of the biggest reasons people fail at flirting is because they're too nice. Being friendly is great, but if you're not adding a little playful teasing or subtle romantic cues, your flirting can easily be mistaken for just being polite. Flirting should have a bit of mystery and excitement. If you're only asking generic questions and giving friendly smiles, the person you're interested in might not even realize you're flirting. 3. Body language misalignment. Your words might be flirty, but what is your body language saying? Crossed arms, lack of eye contact, or facing away from the person can signal disinterest, even if your words say otherwise. Effective flirting involves open body language, leaning in slightly, maintaining eye contact, and using small touches when appropriate. If your body language and words don't match, you're likely confusing the other person. 4. Not using playful teasing. Flirting isn't just about compliments and polite conversation. It should include a bit of fun teasing. A little playful banter can create chemistry and excitement. If you're being too serious or overly respectful, you might miss the opportunity to create a connection. Light teasing about their interests, joking about a shared experience, or playfully challenging them on something they said can all help make flirting more engaging. 5. Talking too much or too little. Flirting is a two-way interaction, and one of the most common mistakes is dominating the conversation or barely contributing to it. If you talk too much about yourself, you might come across as self-absorbed. If you talk too little, the other person may assume you're not interested. The key is balance. Ask engaging questions, share interesting stories, and make sure the conversation flows naturally. 6. Ignoring eye contact and smiling. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools in flirting, yet many people don't use it enough. Avoiding eye contact can make you seem distracted or uninterested. A genuine smile and steady eye contact signal confidence and attraction. When you maintain eye contact while listening, it shows that you're engaged and interested in what the other person is saying. 7. Not mirroring their behavior. Mirroring is a psychological technique that helps build connection. Subtly mimicking the other person's gestures, tone, and energy level makes them feel more comfortable around you. If they lean in, you lean in slightly. If they use hand gestures, you use them too. This creates a sense of familiarity and connection. If your energy levels are completely different, like being too high energy when they're relaxed, it can make the interaction feel off. 8. Being too subtle or too obvious. Flirting requires a balance between subtlety and clarity. If you're too subtle, the other person might not even realize you're flirting. On the other hand, if you're too direct, it can come across as overwhelming. The best flirting is light and playful. Drop small hints of interest without making it feel forced. If you're unsure if they're getting the message, increase the intensity gradually and see how they respond. 9. Relying only on compliments. Compliments are great, but they shouldn't be the only thing you use when flirting. If all you do is compliment someone's looks or personality, the conversation can feel one-sided or predictable. Flirting is about building a dynamic connection, not just giving compliments. Instead of just saying, "You have a great smile," try adding something playful like, "I bet you use that smile to get out of trouble all the time." This keeps the interaction engaging. 10. Forgetting to listen and engage. Flirting isn't just about what you say, it's about how well you listen. If you're too focused on what you'll say next, you might miss moments to build a deeper connection. Pay attention to what the other person is saying and respond thoughtfully. Ask follow-up questions and show that you're genuinely interested in their thoughts. When someone feels heard, they're more likely to feel connected to you. How to improve your flirting skills. If you recognize yourself in any of these mistakes, don't worry. Flirting is a skill that can be improved with practice. Here are some quick tips to become better at flirting. Practice confidence. Even if you don't feel confident, act like you are. Over time, it will feel more natural. Use open body language. Lean in, make eye contact, and avoid crossing your arms. Add playful teasing. A little humor goes a long way in making interactions more fun. Balance talking and listening. Make sure the conversation feels mutual and engaging. Read the other person's reactions. Pay attention to their body language and tone to see if they're responding positively. Flirting should be fun, not stressful. By making small adjustments to your approach, you can create meaningful, exciting connections with people you're interested in. So next time you're flirting, be mindful of these signs and make sure you're sending the right signals. If you found this article helpful, try putting these tips into action and see how your interactions change. Flirting isn't about perfection. It's about confidence, playfulness, and genuine connection. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.